start like this. Like this, so many, you'll get it, no? Some ladder, you'll get it. I'll draw a few so that yeah. Okay, this is the circuit will continue like this till infinity. Now, what we have to do is we have to replace this part of the circuit. I'm going to come with all colors. Just do make observation. This everything what's happened, I'm going to replace with an equivalent cell. So definitely, when I replace this yellow color region, I'm going to replace it here. Replace with an equivalence. See, even this R and this 4R, they'll become part, no? It is everything. I'm going to replace this everything with an equivalent cell. So what is the EMF of that cell? Let it be E, which we are that one. And the equivalent resistance, let it be R. We don't know that value. Both EMF and R, we don't know. And for that particular, say for this network, if you had this part or if you eliminate this part, so it means instead of calculating at AB, if you calculate at CD, what would be your answer? In from ocean, if you take some bucket of water, anything will happen? Amount of water will not change, no? The same thing. So what all you replace this, the equivalent, so there should be the value of AB, that one here. So here we'll use AB terminals here. No? So this AB, this equivalent EMF, I don't know that value. And what is that? That I'll measure EAB. What is EAB? EAB should be E only. Will I agree? And what is RAB should be equal to? That we have to calculate. We don't know RAB. That have to be calculated. So shall I say this everything should be equivalent to one circuit? Time being, I'll write EAB. So this everything now I'm going to replace this with an equivalent circuit. These two, further I'll call that as E dash. Call this as R dash. Is it EAB should be equal to E or E dash should be equal to E? Anybody? You have to put effort here. I don't know value of E dash. Shall we write that equal to EAB only? Okay, I'll do one thing. Time being, I'll remove this so that you can think on this one. First, what is E dash? Shall we take effective of this? I'll proceed like this. I'll help you like this. You know, what is the equivalent EMF? Small e by equivalent resistance. This is the formula. What is E dash? Shall I write? E dash should be equal to E dash. Shall we write equal to E? Equal to capital E. There is what, no, the ladder in that one. So this what you see, the idea is what you calculate the quantity here or here, it will be same. So therefore now this E dash, this is not calculated. This you have to think. Now, from thinking what you get, how what to think, as it is infinite ladder. Getting this one, this what students will get a trouble. Okay, now put it. This will be E equal to. So E by R get cancels. So therefore, what do we get? E equal to this much. So what we have replaced now, finally, shall I say this is also equal to EAB? Okay, there's a thing. So how to calculate equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance should be R dash plus 4R. And what is R dash? R dash first we'll calculate what is R dash. R dash should be equal to small r, small r plus capital R. This is R dash. Grouping of cells we are using. I think I'll do one thing. Some of, again, they're asking, sir, like on what basis? So this, everything we are using grouping of cells and I'm replacing with a, so definitely shall I write R dash equal to this much? R dash equal to, what is the total resistance R? That R should be equal to R dash plus 4R. Anybody value?
2r into 1 plus root 2.
2R into, no. What shall I do? Okay, finally I got it. What is the question? Now I'm going to connect this one. So what I should connect? So for this ammeter, there's everything I should replace with an equivalent. So now I'll bring an ammeter. What is the circuit? The circuit, everything should be replaced with a cell and this R. This will be the reading of ammeter.